Right, I'm going to put in a 1/3 cup of oil, and into that I'm going to add some warm water, and I'm going to start mixing. Okay, this isn't a dough where you have to knead it. You just mix it and leave it, and then you roll it out into naan bread. It's quite a wet dough. The softer the dough, the softer your naan bread will be. Can you see how wet that is? That's how you want it. If you feel that you can't handle something like this, then perhaps put a little bit less water in, whatever you're comfortable with. But bear in mind, the softer the dough, the softer the naan. That's it, that's all you need to do. No more kneading or anything. I'm going to leave this for about an hour and a half to rise, and then we'll be making the naan breads. I'm going to cover it up and leave it in a warm place. See how soft the dough is? Can you see? Very sticky. Use flour so that you can gently, very gently make the ball. Keep it very soft, keep everything very light. I've got some grated cheese here, depending on how much you want. I've got some very finely chopped onion here, white onion. I've got very finely chopped red pepper. Okay. I've got some green coriander. I'm going to put some inside, and I'm going to put some on top. And I've got 2 green chilies chopped up. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to this, mix it all up before I fill my naan bread. Okay, so I'm mixing everything up nicely. I'm going to take a larger ball of naan dough, and I'm going to put the whole mixture inside. I'm going to squeeze it in as best as I can, like that. Okay, pack it tight, and then bring the sides in to the middle and over, side and over. Just bring that dough into the middle from all angles. Okay, like that. Just pinch it together.